Hello everyone, so I've been meaning to do this video, but I wanted to wait enough time because I just did the Something Like Spring review, and so I thought, well, I think it's the right amount of time. I'm going to do a review on J Bal's Something Like Lightning, which I read about almost, if not, no, it was over a month ago, but this is a book that really resonated with me and it stuck in my mind, and I gotta say it's probably my second favorite book of the series. Of course, Winter's always gonna be number one, but yeah, so if you don't know what Something Like Summer or all that series, you should definitely go check out Something Like Summer first, and then Winter, and then Autumn, and then Spring, and then Lightning, and then Coming Soon is Thunder. It's a great LBGT book series. It's actually a gay romance novel. I would say it's more like a young adult-ish, I guess. But I've loved the series for so long now, and I'm liking the direction it's going. So in this book, it is about Kelly Phillips, who was in Something Like Spring, who was introduced in Something Like Spring, who was William's boyfriend. And in Spring, he kind of is made to look like the bad guy, in a way. And in Spring, I wasn't like the hugest Jason fan. I thought he was a good character, and I didn't mind him, but he wasn't a favorite of mine, because sometimes I get a little, like, angry at this fictional person. So, you know, in Spring, it's made to look like Kelly is this guy who's kind of just putting a hold on William, which I guess there's always two sides of a story, and in Something Like Lightning, it is about Kelly Phillips' story before he is in the car accident, when he still has two legs and he is still a runner, and this is before he meets William and how he kind of comes not really to terms with his sexuality, because what I like about this story and many of the stories in the series with J Bal is the main character is pretty damn sure of his sexuality, and it's not like a confusing, you know, like coming of age. In a way, the series is a coming of age, but in its own kind of way. And I love Kelly because he's confident, and I love confident characters, and I love like that sassy, snarky attitude in my fictional characters, because it kind of seems like almost like myself in a way, which sounds super narcissistic, but I just really related with Kelly, and in this story I love his family. I love that we get to see this new side of something that we never really got in Spring, and you know, this was like the one story besides Summer and Winter that I wasn't hasty about what was gonna, like, I wasn't worried that wasn't gonna like it, because once I found out that Lightning was gonna be about Kelly, I was really excited because I wanted to learn more about him, and I wanted to see his life and his side of the story, and his his experience with losing his leg and his thoughts on that. And what I like about this book is in Spring, he is, like I said, seen as the bad guy, and he's the guy that keeps William in that relationship. But in Lightning, you see his perspective and how, although he didn't want William to leave because he felt like, you know, he was gonna lose something that, like he did with his leg, he also wasn't like super into that relationship either. I think he even wanted to break it off, and I think that's why he wasn't too upset with Jason going after William in the end there, and kind of not necessarily stealing him, but I guess in a way kind of finally ending their relationship, because they just weren't meant to be, which from both books I got that vibe of it. So I mean, Kelly seemed like a really bad guy in the first book, but he is fantastic. I just love everything about him. I can't even describe it. I just love his vibe, and I really want a full like visual image of this guy, because he's one of those characters where I have a certain also like look about him when I envision him, and I kind of wish I kind of knew exactly what he looked like, because I'm not a creative person and it's hard for me to imagine certain things, so I kind of see him in a certain way, but I bet he's beautiful because that's how he's kind of described. And I'm just excited for more Kelly Phillips. I think he's just a really enjoyable character, and I just like the way he was introduced in this book and how it continued with Jason, and even in a way it's still connected to Ben and Tim even after all these book series and all this new life and Nathaniel. And well, although I wasn't like a huge fan of I wasn't a huge fan of Nathaniel. I mean, I liked him, but I don't know if I really want, I mean, I'm excited for Thunder, don't get me wrong. I kind of need to know more about him. I kind of got this, I have a certain image with him as well. Do you know the show Marry Me with Casey Wilson, the guy on there? I picture Nathaniel like that, like when he was younger, whose name I cannot remember, but he's been in other things before. I've never seen that show. I'm just thinking more recent thing that I could think he was in. But look him up. So it's how I picture Nathaniel, which is so strange. And I picture Kelly in a weird way, and I picture Tim in a weird way. So yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed this. I liked learning about Kelly's, his dreams and his other dream, which was photography, and seeing all that new realm. And I don't know, it's been such a long time since I read it, but it was one of the books that I could not put down once I started it. I waited till I was like on my plane ride to Florida when I was going last month, and I just couldn't stop reading it the entire trip. And I would put on my Gabrielle Aplin songs, and who's like my favorite go-to artist when I'm reading books. Her English Rain album is fantastic. It's what I read when I read Fault in Our Stars as well. So I really enjoyed it, and I think I just like a new perspective. I think, Jason was awesome, but it's nice to see a new page being turned and a different side. And it really broke my heart when that whole scenario when William cheated on Kelly for like the very first time, like full on with Jason at that party. That broke my freaking heart. I'm like, Kelly, oh my gosh, because I knew what happened. Of course we all did. And I'm just like, no, I love Kelly. I don't want to see him heartbroken, even though he's a meanie. He can't help it. He went through some shit, okay? We all get mean sometimes, okay? We all have reasons. No, it's not an excuse to be an asshole all the time. But I guess in his own way, Kelly had a reason to be. I think what I liked about Kelly is because he's very realistic. He's, very confident and sure of himself in a way, but he's also very self-conscious, especially when he loses his leg, because he loses his confidence with that. And he's also just realistic. He gets jealous and he gets angry and he gets a little too fiery, but I think that's what makes him enjoyable. I think it made him very human and way more enjoyable than I see some of the other characters in this series. So that's just my thoughts on it. Also really liked a lot of Marcello in this as well. I mean, that was phenomenal. I was like so happy for that. So I just can't wait for more of Kelly Phillips in this series, and I'm really excited for Thunder. I hope it comes out soon. So please go read Something Like Lightning if you haven't. If you have heard of this series, continue on. It's phenomenal. I really like that this one is purple as well. I think it's a really gorgeous cover. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching, and I don't know when I'm going to make another video because I've kind of been really busy with school and work and stuff and whatnot. But yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Please read Something Like series. It's a great series. Of course, I say this in every video, but if you haven't started it, you really should. I recommend it. So yeah, talk to you guys later.